How to log in into WhatsApp using a Apple ID. Are you guys facing issues to log in into your account with your Apple ID? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open WhatsApp on your mobile device. If you don't know how to download WhatsApp on your mobile device, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. Once you open the app, now click on Get Started. In order to log in with your Apple ID, just simply tap on Sign in with Apple. Now click on Continue. In order to log in into your account, you need to have an account first. If you don't know how to create an account, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna log in into our WhatsApp account using Apple ID. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.